Have you ever left your class feeling like you just sat through an entire lecture in a different language? You were there, you took notes, but when you look at them later, it's like they were written by a stranger. Your notes are a mess. Screenshots here, random Google Docs there, scribbles in your notebook that made sense 2 hours ago but definitely don't anymore. What if instead of fighting through textbooks, your readings could answer your questions like a tutor sitting right next to you? Google's NotebookLM does that. It's an AI research assistant that works exclusively with your materials, helping you actually understand what you're studying instead of just rereading the same paragraph 5 times. So in this video, we'll show you how to use NotebookLM for studying, research, and revision, so your notes finally start working for you. And once you've understood the material, we'll quickly look at how you can organize assignments, deadlines, and projects in one connected workspace so nothing slips through the cracks. Let's begin. First, centralize your chaos. When you're studying, your materials are everywhere. Lecture slides in your downloads, notes in Google Docs, readings you screenshotted on your phone. It's chaos. You can upload everything into NotebookLM. Once done, the notebook guide gives you an automatic summary and suggested questions, so you immediately know what you're working with. Second, go from reading to actually getting it. You can read a chapter 3 times and still have no idea what just happened. Highlighting or rereading doesn't help. You need to actively engage with the material. You can ask NotebookLM direct questions about what you just read. It answers using only your uploaded content and shows you citations so you know where it's pulling from. Third, build your personal reference library. You're 4 weeks into the semester and you vaguely remember reading something perfect for your current essay, but you have absolutely no idea where. You can use the pinboard to save quotes, data points, and insights as you find them. Tag everything by course topic. When you're writing about market failures, you've got every relevant piece right there. Fourth, match your actual learning style. Some people learn by reading, some by listening, some need visual organization. Most study methods force you into one box whether it works for you or not. NotebookLM generates AI podcasts from your notes where 2 voices discuss your material. Listen on your commute, at the gym, whenever. It also creates study guides, timelines, FAQs, whatever format makes the information click for your brain. Fifth, collaborate effectively. Group work usually means 10 versions of the same document floating around, nobody sure who's doing what, and 3 separate group chats because someone's not in the first one. It's a coordination nightmare. You can share your NotebookLM workspace with study partners. Everyone can access the same materials, leave comments on specific sections, and assign different research areas to different people. So NotebookLM gets you from confused to understanding. But understanding alone doesn't finish your assignments or get you through finals week. That's the execution gap. Most students understand what they're supposed to do. They just can't keep it all organized. ClickUp, the world's first converged AI workspace, closes that gap completely. It's where your learning becomes an actual system that gets results. ClickUp docs store all your research notes and link them directly to the tasks they support, so you can collaborate with classmates in real time without jumping between platforms. You can also use ClickUp Notepad for those quick thoughts that pop up mid-lecture. Everything syncs across your devices, so nothing gets lost between your laptop, phone, and tablet. But the real game changer is ClickUp Brain, your context-aware AI assistant that understands your entire workspace. ClickUp Brain can summarize your research notes, generate outlines for essays, answer questions about your projects, and even help you write better content with AI-powered editing. And now, if you really want to take it to the next level, super agents are the world's first AI teammates that give you superpowers to do more than humanly possible. They can automatically move tasks through your workflow, schedule your study sessions based on your calendar, send reminders before deadlines, and run entire processes end to end. You focus on learning. Your super agents handle everything else. Look, studying doesn't have to mean drowning in PDFs and scattered to-do lists. While NotebookLM turns your readings into conversations, ClickUp can turn those conversations into a system that really works. So try ClickUp for free and build a system that not just understands, but works for how you study.